I get asked questions similar to this all the time, so let's break it down. Now, I have a DC pension with Aviva worth 181,000. I'd like to remove the guaranteed minimum pension element, and the only way I can do this is by transferring to another pension provider. I have another pension with Standard Life, DC again. Standard Life tell me I would need to use a financial advisor to do this. Is this correct? And what will Aviva transfer to them is a cash sum of the transfer value. At this point, the GMP element will be removed. Any advice is welcome. So I think a couple of things to break down here. The first thing is, yes, you do need a financial advisor if the value is above £30,000. That is an FCA regulation, so there's no way around that. The second part to this really is actually kind of to take stock of the overall finances and actually look at, do you have any other areas of guaranteed income in retirement? If the answer is yes, then I think this might be a good idea because you can consolidate two pensions into one. If you don't have any other guaranteed income or regular income stream in retirement, then maybe just rethink this and actually sit down with your financial advisor and just run through an overall plan. I think the last thing I would note is don't necessarily fixate on you having to have a pension with either Aviva or Standard Life. Look at the options for a personal pension. If you're in the UK, look for local advice. If you're in Europe, look for local advice, because ultimately your advisor will most likely be able to find you a tailored pension scheme that's going to generate and give you everything you're looking for in retirement. If you have any more questions similar to this or anything related to this topic, comment advice below and I'll reach out to you with some more feedback.